Hey guys, today we are going to be reviewing this Wonder Woman alarm clock. So, let's get started. So, I don't know where this came from. I'm guessing it came from Walmart. And so, here it is. It's a good alarm clock, but like that time is wrong. And like the hair, you can't move the hair. And then there's buttons under the hair, which you can't even see. And yeah. And none of the buttons work. So, the only thing that works here is her moving. And her head, like, doing that. And so only two things work. So I, personally, would give her a 2 out of 10. I'm sorry, Wonder Woman. You're not full of wonder. So, 2 out of 10. Right there. This was from my last video. So, make sure to watch that last video. Make sure to watch all my reviewing videos. So there's a 2 out of 10. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to like, subscribe, and comment done. All 3. So if you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to. But I would recommend you being a part of the Sunnyvale / reviewing family. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. You can keep doing it if you have to finish, keep finishing, but because you can still listen. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.